Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Sydney. Today is Super Bowl Sunday, so that's exciting. I hope you guys are somewhere watching the game, eating good food. Sorry for not having any videos this week. I have just not been feeling well. I have had a horrible sinus infection and a migraine, and today is the first day the sun has come out here in probably at least a week. It's been pretty just cloudy and rainy and gross, and that just kind of amplifies all of my like migraine and sinus issues. So tried to take a rest break this week and just try to get back to 100% so that I can work and be productive. In this video, we are going to talk about just some things that have been going on with Poshmark this week, some updates, things like that. Kind of just a news video, if you will. Before I get into the video, I do want to thank everyone who has ordered and reordered mystery boxes. I got a ton of emails from people wanting to reorder mystery boxes. I've tried to respond to everyone that wanted to reorder them for February. So if you are interested in getting a mystery box for February, definitely send me an email. It's poshbosshq@gmail.com, and I can send you the info on those. But I did get in some more inventory for the mystery boxes. I have Anthropology, Free People, Torrid, all kinds of good stuff. New with tags, some new with tags, some gently used, but all great condition items, and super excited to get those shipped out this week to those of you who have already ordered. So definitely send me an email if you are interested in getting a mystery box for February. Okay, so let's get into the video. The hot topic this week was obviously the shipping price increase. I've seen so much drama going on over the shipping price increase, and to be honest, I'm not surprised that the shipping went up. When I first started selling on Poshmark like 7 years ago now, my Posh anniversary was February 3rd, so it has officially been 7 years. When I first started selling on there back then, I think shipping was $5.99. And now just this week they increased it by 34 cents. So it is $7.45 shipping now. And you will notice the increase in the shipping discounts and things like that. Personally, it doesn't bother me. It is annoying, but it's just one of those things. USPS is going to continue to increase their prices so every year, so you should continue to expect Poshmark's prices on shipping to increase. Personally, I feel like this is one of Poshmark's biggest flaws that they have. I do think Poshmark is the easiest platform to sell on. Their shipping is very easy. You know, you sell something, they email you a label, and you ship it. However, I feel like when somebody has to pay almost $8 to ship something, to have something shipped to them, like if somebody's buying something from you, if they're buying several things from you, I don't think it comes off as bad. But if somebody just wants to buy a top from you or a necklace or something like that, and the shipping is almost $8, I really feel like that is going to deter a lot of people from shopping on Poshmark. I think it's very unfortunate. Especially people who are new to shopping on Poshmark, and you know, they're used to places like Amazon where you have Prime free 2-day shipping and you pay once and you don't have to pay for shipping. But I do think it deters a lot of people from shopping on the app, and I do hope that Poshmark will consider having some sort of shipping option that is not, you know, on the seller's part to do. So, you know, you can give your buyers shipping discounts. I recommend that all the time, to send your likers an offer with a shipping discount, because that is what is going to make you sales. I still stand behind that. You have to send out shipping discounts, because especially now, you know, $7.45 when a person sees that, it probably scares them just a little bit, especially new shoppers on Poshmark. So you are definitely going to want to be sending out offers to likers with shipping discounts, do discounts on bundles. Anywhere you can do a shipping discount, you need to do that. But I do hope that Poshmark will come up with some sort of, you know, tiered shipping, kind of similar to what Mercari has. Even if they could do like a $4.99 shipping option for anything under 8 ounces or anything under a pound, you know, something that they could work out with USPS, and then make it in the app where maybe you had to enter in the weight of the item when you list it to set the shipping price for it. I don't know how they would, you know, incorporate that, but I feel like if Mercari can incorporate tiered shipping, I feel like Poshmark could also incorporate tiered shipping. I know the shipping has been the same in terms of the priority shipping since they started, and I don't see them getting away from that, but I do wish that they would have some sort of cheaper shipping option if a person just wants to buy one item, or if the items that they are buying are under 8 ounces or under a pound, because I feel like that would drastically increase the amount of shoppers on Poshmark. I think it would help a lot. Or if they could do something like Amazon does, where you pay, you know, like a monthly fee, and you're able to, you know, buy as many things as you want with free shipping. I don't know if they're big enough yet to do that, but it's something that they could do in the future maybe. It's just, I don't know what's going to happen, because the shipping is obviously going to continue to increase. And, you know, at what point does Poshmark stop and reevaluate, hey, you know, if somebody just wants to buy one thing, maybe $8 is a lot for shipping on one thing. And I know sellers can give shipping discounts, but it's just frustrating for when a lot of shoppers want to just buy something. They don't want to haggle. They don't want to, you know, communicate with the seller. A lot of people just don't like to reach out to sellers. They just want to buy it and you ship it to them and that's done. They don't want to have this back and forth with the seller of the item. They just want to purchase it. So, and you know, people who are newly shopping on Poshmark might not understand that if they like an item, that a seller has the ability to send them a discount. Or they might not understand closet clear out, where if the seller discounts the item, they get a shipping discount. They might not understand that. And then I'm seeing more and more people who are finding items through Google searches, who are just buying the items, which is great, but you have to think about how many people find something on Poshmark through a Google search, and then they click on it and then they see it costs almost $8 to ship it, and then they go on to somewhere else, or they go over to Amazon, or they go over to eBay. You have to think about that. I really love Poshmark just because they don't allow these returns on used clothing like eBay does. They don't force you to take returns or anything like that. And, you know, that's why Poshmark is my favorite selling platform, because you don't have to deal with all of this drama and stuff that you have to deal with on eBay. But I really hope they will consider fixing this shipping issue, because I feel like they could triple, quadruple the amount of people buying things on Poshmark if they would simply offer a cheaper shipping option. Some other things I want to make you guys aware of that I've been seeing both in my Facebook group and in other Facebook groups, on Instagram, on social media. There seems to be a lot of glitches happening from, I imagine it's from earlier this week when they had to update the app with the new shipping cost. So ever since then, I've been seeing people reporting all kinds of glitches, like things selling and then not being marked for sale, or not being marked sold, sorry. Or, you know, not getting shipping labels sent to them, or tracking not updating. USPS is still delayed. Tracking has been delayed. Not as bad as it was, but it's still a little bit delayed. And now I'm questioning, you know, is it USPS or is it Poshmark's app that is glitching and the tracking is not updating? So, you know, whichever it is, just a lot of glitches happening that I'm sure are the result of them having to continuously update things on the app. And I have been seeing them testing out some different things in terms of offering shipping discounts and things like that. So if that is something they are going to roll out to everyone, there are probably going to be even more glitches happening. The glitches happen when they update the app. I've never seen any sort of significant glitch happen for absolutely no reason. So the glitches happen when they are updating the app, which they obviously have to do periodically because, you know, retail is just an ever-changing business. So if you are experiencing glitches, I wouldn't be too concerned about it. If you are experiencing delays with shipping, it's just a common thing that's happening now with USPS. So, you know, I wouldn't be too concerned about it. I did have a few packages that got lost, unfortunately, that I had to ask Poshmark to cancel just because I did not stand in line at the post office and get them scanned, just because the line at my post office is constantly an hour long. That's just not realistic. But, you know, just these things that are happening that I hope will get better shortly. But yeah, so just a lot of glitches happening, a lot of delays happening. The shipping increase, it's unfortunate, but it's something that we just have to deal with. So hopefully Poshmark will find a way to fix this shipping situation, because I do think that Poshmark could considerably increase their sales if they would fix the shipping issue. Okay guys, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I will have some more out this week, so make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you in the next one.